thought today I'd cut my hair. Did I have a mental breakdown today? Yes. Am I cutting my hair because of that? No. I was actually like planning on getting my hair cut by my friend who actually like is a, I don't know, it's esthetician? Cosmetologist? I don't know. Anyways, so she has a degree or whatever in or a license in hair cutting. And then she's like, oh, I can just cut it for you. And I was like, oh no, it's okay because she had like something to do today. And now I'm like, I can do this. So I watched some YouTube videos and they said to have like an elastic thing, like a plastic one. I don't have that. So I think I'm just going to do whatever I can find. So I have this. They said like a little plastic one, but I don't have that. So my hair's already pretty short, but I usually have it a lot shorter than this. So it's just kind of been annoying lately. But I saw first I had to part my hair in the middle, so I have a mirror this way. I'm really bad at hair. What am I supposed to do with this? Like these baby hairs, where do they go? Okay, I think that's pretty middle. I mean, it's a little ziggy, but whatever. I'm not cutting these little pieces anyways. Okay, so then it said, yeah, I'm just gonna go for it. It said to like put your hair tie where you want it to cut it. So I'm just gonna pull all my hair into this ponytail, side pony. These are gonna be left out. I'm just gonna put it in at one spot and then I'll change it. But they said the hard part with using these was because they're not like, they slip around a little bit more, which is, I'm gonna take their word for it. I just cut it right here. Oh! Thumbnail. Okay, anyways. So this side looks good. And then we're gonna do this side. Oh, maybe I should have split it better. I need to redo it now. But hair grows back, right? Now that we got our sides, I'm gonna redo it. Just pull the hair forward. Put my hair tie in, and then I'll adjust it afterwards. I don't know. I'm not gonna cut off that much because I don't need that much cut off. I just need a trim. Alright, there's one side, then I'm going to do the same on this side. Just going to pull all my hair to the front. Just tie it. Okay. This is what we got. I look great. Stunning as always. And then I'm just gonna pull it down to where I want to cut it. It's a lot to cut. I think I'm just gonna, I don't want like that much. I'm gonna cut this much. Okay. And then I want to cut, I have to make it even on both sides, they said. So I'm gonna put my head straight. What are we thinking? Does that look straight? Okay. Alright. I'm just gonna take my scissors. I mean, what's the worst that can happen? She can always... I mean, it's like, I wear it curly. I don't... Oh my god. I wear it curly. I don't usually wear it straight, so like, it's not gonna matter. Alright. Okay. I gotta stop moving out. I don't know if they're even! I'm just gonna do it. Ah! Ah! Oh my god. Okay. I don't know where to put it. Okay, that's fine. Okay, done. Alright. Hey! That's pretty good. Hey! I like it. Back to myself again. There's all my hair. Oh, I love my hair shorter. I just look so much better. I have to get it re-wet and curl it. Hey! Okay. Alright, there you go. There's your hair tutorial. I'm gonna go wash it again. We'll just get it wet and then put my curling stuff in it and then I'll do a final reveal. Look at all that. Now there's hair all over the floor. Alright, so I just got it re-wet. I scrunched it. I always use my Not Your Mother's Blue Sea Kale and Pure Coconut Water. I've actually never seen this in stores. I got it at a fashion show I was volunteering at and they were just giving these out and I said I want this one. So this one I used, I've actually had it since September and it's now March. So it's almost at the end. Hear that? Some ASMR. I'm almost out, so I have to see if I can find this on Amazon or something. But yeah, it's just a weightless mousse. And then I'll do a post update after it's dried and maybe I'll curl it. Voila! The finished product. It's all curly again. It wasn't really curling as much before. But yeah, I think that's pretty good for cutting my hair for the first time. Thank you guys for watching this video and seeing another day in my hot mess of a life and the bad decisions I made. And don't forget to like and subscribe and follow my Instagram at jessica.harnett. And I'll see you next time. Maybe I'll just buzz my head off next time. Who knows? Okay, bye guys.